making money from your living room floor. What's up, guys? This is Miss T, your digital crack queen. I'm coming with this either part 4 or 5. I don't know. Y'all let y'all know in the comments, all right? So this is a quick, easy way to get some free images, free clip art that you can start your digital business right away. It's gonna cost you $0.99. So you're gonna go on Facebook. You're gonna click then free. All right, now because I use a lot of these things here that already came up, but it's going to be free images, free designs, free templates, free printables, free SUVs that you can utilize based off what the person posted, whether they'll let you know if you can use it free for personal use, commercial use, or as you wish. All right, so let's go into it. Here we have free SVG dump. Let's just go here. All right, so this is a group, and I want you guys to make sure you go to all these groups, follow them on Facebook, and join them, okay? So here, right, we got a few here. All right, these are free images. See, someone's asking, do anybody have this? So let's see, do anybody got it for them? Nope. Okay, following. Now, most people come here to steal. Now, we're not coming to steal. We're coming to use images. So here we go. Now that Easter is over, we're making, what are we making for Mother's Day? Alright, so I have a few ideas here, but I don't see no images. Alright, so you got to make sure you move quickly. You don't want to waste time. We ain't got time. Alright, here, so we have a few here that people posted. Ooh, that is cute. Here's some here. Alright, so they were just posted, and of course you'll try to oh, this is nice. Alright, so these are things that you can make into transfers, journal covers, put on t-shirts, mugs. All right, I try to make sure I oh, this is a nice one. This is my Lord and Strength, my song. Cute, cute, cute. So we take them, grab them. I like to usually put in a message and say, is it free to use commercially? I need to make sure that's clear. Whatever I'm saving or taking, is it free to use? Look at this one here, free SVGs. Which team you love? Oh, this is super cool. All right, again, I would just message this person and see if it's okay to use commercially. And she creates something, it goes viral, and then all of a sudden they come along and say that is theirs, and no, they actually gave it away. All right, so here we go, some free templates, another group. Let's see. Let's go to I like to go straight to the pictures. All right, see if I see anything here that may interest me that I can click on. All right. Here we have, what is this? Free album. These are frames. Okay, cool. Oh, let's go to the albums then. Here we go. So that's easy. We go